Hey everyone, I'm going to do a cabin filter replacement on my wife's 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the model number for Champion. The reason why I picked this brand is because that's what the store I'd gone to carried, and it had a reasonable price. So they do have ones that have some special smell in them and all that, but we just went with this one. So anyway, the first step is to locate it, which is actually behind the glove box. So just pull this bad boy down, and then on this side pop it in, and the same thing on the other side. So I'll need two hands to do that real quick. So I'll hand this off to my cameraman. Got it, cameraman?
Yep.
Okay, aim it right there. Right on this. Ready? So just push these two sides together, and it should pop right out.
Yep, I'm ready.
And then from there, do you see where my hand is?
Yep, I can.
Okay, good. So from here, here's where the box is that the filter's in. And so there should be a clip right here, which allows you to open the front. And then just gonna reach in here.
Check out these pictures.
And grab this filter out. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of pollen, leaves, and dust and debris in there. So it's also very black. So at this point, we're going to throw this bad boy away. Before we do that, we want to make sure that we look at the side when it came out, which way the airflow is going. There's an arrow facing down there telling you that the airflow is this way. Then I'm going to reach in there also and just clean out anything else that I potentially see in there, if anything. All right, feels pretty clean. There's another leaf in there, so I'm going to pull that out. Throw the old filter aside.
I want to make sure you get it all cleaned up.
Yeah.
And now that's what a new one looks like.
So this filter here is made of carbon, so it's going to have a black look to it, which is fine. And just the same thing, you're going to make sure that you're going to look for the arrow on the side. Here it says airflow. So make sure the airflow is going the same way, otherwise the air wouldn't be as efficient. Just take this, put this back in there, slide it right in. Take our cap.
Okay, should I pause?
Pause, yeah. Okay. All right, so we just slap that back on there, and then just push these two edges back in. And that's done. You should do this probably twice a year. Just change your cabin filter. I think they cost like 10 or 15 bucks. So definitely worthwhile investment. And it's as easy as that. It took us all about 5 minutes to do it. So thanks for watching. If you learned something, give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos. Thanks.